Hi guys, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 is gonna use a much improved ultra-thin glass for the foldable display, and this move is going to improve the hardness and quality in preparation for the S Pen integration. But before we get into it, definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon if you haven't to get daily tech updates, and drop a like if you enjoyed the video. So we all know that the foldable display on foldables is not very durable. The display on the original Z Fold and Fold 2 could easily be scratched by fingernails, and despite using an improved ultra-thin glass on the Fold 3 to incorporate an S Pen support, the foldable display is still plastic and could easily be scratched up and damaged. Now, the S Pen that could work on the Fold 3 was specially made for the device. It had a softer, more rounded tip compared to other Samsung S Pen, so it couldn't easily damage the display. But on the Z Fold 4, Samsung wants to incorporate the S Pen much like a Note, so it's going to have a silo in the phone like the Note and S22 Ultra, which is an upgrade from having to carry around an extra case to store the S Pen on the Z Fold 3. But the new S Pen will have to be smaller than the one for the Z Fold 3 so it can fit in the phone, and that means the tip is also going to be less rounded. So to make up for that, Samsung is using a new ultra-thin glass to improve the hardness and quality of the foldable display. This will improve the overall durability of the device and cancel out the shortcoming of the S Pen. And Samsung wants to call it a super ultra-thin glass and not just an ultra-thin glass like the Z Fold 3, which means there might be some serious durability improvement from the previous generation. Now, we're not sure if Samsung incorporating the S Pen is gonna reduce the battery capacity on the Z Fold 4. They managed to pull it off on the S22 Ultra without reducing the battery capacity. But the Z Fold 4 is a totally different design with moving parts that takes up a lot of space. So incorporating the S Pen silo into the Z Fold 4's design is most likely gonna reduce the overall battery capacity. We're gonna get more info, including the battery size, over time. So definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss it. And be sure to drop a like if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next one.